Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Hersheypark for opening day 2026. This is actually my first time ever coming to Hersheypark for opening day. I usually come once a year, usually in the summertime, but this time we decided to do opening day. It's very crowded today. The lines to get in were outrageous, but it's expected. This is spring break time. It's Good Friday, so I'm expecting everybody to be here. But I don't really have a plan. Let's just get on some rides. I got the little ones here with me today, so we're gonna have a good time. Opening day 2026. So with that being said, if you guys are ready, let's go ahead on a sharp adventure.
Yeah, but there's still 6 because we're going on the bridge. It's 6 weeks for my birthday. Oh my God, we're so high. Yeah, we're so high. This has alcohol. They have like a lot of alcohol options too. I did like a wine tasting for like $20. And they gave me like a wine glass. That was fun. And Hershey's Kisses shade straight lines.
You sure? I'll help you over.
Sweetest version from the dairy side, you can taste the love all over the world. Got that feeling every day, where you're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love, taste the love. Fun to factory, everybody.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? It all starts with cocoa beans, regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove. Our cocoa experts carefully select in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate for years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark.
Machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Everyday milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Heat milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. Pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's richful smell. Steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Granite rollers, the extraction process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.